Another day in the kingdom of Chicken Land, year 53 of the new timeline. Oh, shoot. A chicken enforcer.
Pig5! You're late to your factory shift.
Sorry, sir. I
don't want to hear it, Pig5. You know the rules. In Chicken Land, kingdom is order,
And
order is
kingdom. Yes, I know.
Hurry up, then.
Watch it.
Zero?
Pig5?
Don't even talk to me, you nation betrayer.
Look, do you think I wanted to be an outcast? It isn't easy being a teenage heartthrob with a dark past, always on the run from chicken enforcers.
Zero, I know we were friends once, but now you're a criminal, and I'm a loyal citizen. I've got to get to my factory shift.
Wait, I know something about pigs 1 through 4.
They've been gone for years.
They're in the school, 5.
The chicken school? In the chicken capital? No one has ever come back from chicken school, Zero.
I know. I'm sorry, 5. But they're still okay. I know a guy who can get us into the school. It'll be dangerous, but...
Why should I listen to you? I don't trust you. Not anymore.
I'll earn your trust back. I promise.
So this is the outcast camp immediately outside the borders of the chicken capital. What next?
Shh. Wait.
Zero, my old friend.
Hey, dog. I would say it's good to see you, but the circumstances are far from ideal.
This pig looks soft. She's never been an outcast. Is she up for it?
I'll be fine. I've handled worse.
Fine. There's a secret tunnel that leads to the chicken school. I'll take you to there after dark. All right. We've reached the entrance. You have 3 minutes to sneak past the chicken enforcers and get out. You better hurry.
That was surprisingly easy.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Look. A cell. But why is it empty?
Oh, you're so brainwashed.
Pigs 1 through 4? What's wrong with you?
Greetings, cousin. We have been re-educated to serve the noble cause of the chicken kingdom. All it takes is one brainwashing spray and you will be saved.
Please don't. Don't you remember me?
We exist to serve. Prepare for the brainwashing spray.
No, please.
No!
No, no! Zero! Stay with me. I can't do this without you.
I'm sorry.
For all those years ago, you don't have to be sorry, Zero. You've made up for it today.
No, I'm sorry for not telling you.
Not telling me what?
5. I love you.
Zero, you can't.
Whoa, what happened? I was...
Zero? You're okay.
Cousin.
Watch out, they're back.
Cousin, it's me.
Pig 1? You were pretending to be brainwashed?
I don't have much time. Listen closely. I replaced the spray with a fake. The resistance in the school lives on.
What do you mean?
I thought the resistance died out years ago.
We are everywhere. We are the future, Zero.
Thank you, Pig 1.
I have to hurry or I'll be missed. But just know, the resistance is on your side.
So what now?
We keep fighting. Knowing that the resistance is still alive, it gives me hope, Pig5. Someday we'll win the battle and bring justice to all of Chicken Kingdom.
I'm gonna help. I'll get the factory on our side. The workforce is ready for a change.
We're all going to win this fight. Together. I wouldn't want it any other way.